I have read the mission statement of everybody that said they want to contest election. That today they want you to speak to them because in a fortnight from today there will be governorship election in Rivers State, and that they are going to go your way. You know it's on a talk.
The youth has asked me to tell you that I will stand by you during this election and after the election. And we are pleased with the candidature of Sir Sim Fubara, KSC, and Ngozi Odu. And we are going to support all PDP candidates to win election on Saturday.
It is your turn. It is your turn. Fubara is not up to 50 years. It's the youth's turn. We have to consolidate. We have to continue. All these jobs we have done. So many communities that I even never knew in my life that are in River State, I have come to know and I've given them good. If you bring these people, most of these jobs will not be done. Will you be happy? No. So we need consolidation and we need continuity. So I beg you. But you are coming here this morning, it means it is done. Yes. It is safe. Yes.
Governor Wike also warns the people against voting for those who looted the state's treasury.
Now you are coming now, you are bringing your business partner, where two of you are standing trial at the High Court for embezzlement of about $50 million US. You now say, Rivers people, come and vote for Toyo Coke. Today, we are prosecuting Toyo Coke and Amechi and Wokocha, the former commissioner of power. The only way you can stop that prosecution, the only way you don't want that money to come back to the state coffers, is electing Toyo Coke. But if you elect him, the matter will die naturally. Do you want to do that? No! Do you want to do that? No! Do you want to recover your body? Yes! You want 6 to be the governor of Rivers State. Let me see your hands up.